What's up, guys? Open packs. Today we have some Donruss baseball, some NBA hoops, and some NFL 1990. I'm pretty sure this is 1991, I think. $1990. Yeah, all these are 1990, and then the hockey ones aren't. The hockey ones are 91. Alright, let's start off with Donruss baseball. These packs are like really old. Oh no, I hate when this happens on old packs. You get paper on the card. Oh, that stinks. Hopefully it's not one good. Nah, good thing. Bendito Santiago. Here's the puzzle piece. I don't really know too much about those. Randy Velarde, Mark Lanke, Ozzie Smith, Mark Thurman, Don Paul, Jim Deshaies, John Moses, Dave Johnson. Alright, Mark McGwire. It's an all-star. Got a rookie card. Julio Machado, Vance Law, Jeff Musselman, Don August, Candy Maldon-Cada, nothing much in there. Alright, let's got a hockey pack. These are packaged much better than the baseball cards. Brent Gilchrist, Sergei Karen, Dave Gagnon, Joe Sakic, Tony Granato, Eric Lindros. That's kind of a cool card. Wayne Gretzky, 1990-91 highlight, 700th career goal. That's pretty cool. Guy LaFleur, that's a pretty cool card too. Another Hall of Famer. Bob Kudelski, Bob Carpenter, John Ogrodnik, Bobby Smith, Garth Buchner, Gerard Gallant, and Larry Murphy. Alright, let's open a football. Raul Allegre, Christian Okoye, Todd McNair. Whoa, I don't know what that is, but that looked cool. This card fell. Joey Browner. What is this? Super Bowl trivia card. That's kind of cool. Steve Walsh, Mark Murphy, Freddie Joe Nunn, Mike Dial, Stephone Page, Clyde Simmons, Rodney Hampton, Warren Moon. That's kind of funny. Pretty cool. Hot Gun. Ground Force, Dalton Hilliard. Rich Carlos. Trace Armstrong. Rodney Pete. Alright, NBA Hoops. Mike Jaminski. Some random coach. Hey, Michael Jordan. I think I already have this one. Sean Elliott rookie card. Okay. I think he was like a 2-time All-Star. Rod Strickland. Lisale Thompson. Mark Bryant. What is this? Oh, checklist. Joe Dumars. Antoine Carr. Rex Chapman. Bobby Hansen. Dick Versace. Michael Cage. And Dennis Hobson. I thought that was Dennis Rodman for a second. Alright. I think this is the only other baseball one. I'd be more careful opening this time. Oh. I hate how the paper like is stuck to the back of these. It always ruins the last card. Oh no, we got paper stuck. That might come off later though. And here's the puzzle piece. Checklist. Ruben Glenn Hoffman. Kirby Puckett. Todd Burning. Kevin Hickey. Greg Minton. Larry Anderson. Jim DeShies. Chili Davis, Randy Johnson, Gary Ward, and Mitch Williams. Alright, back to the hockey. Say that's been treating us the best so far. Craig Simpson, Wayne McBean, not the right Wayne, Jim Weimber, Nelson Emerson, Randy Geoff Sanderson. Ooh. Who is this? Brett Hull, Dream Team. Cool. Dale and Mark Hunter. Ray Bork. Mario Lemieux, Hall of Famer. At least he should be, I think he is. Craig Ludwig. Steve Casper. Stephane Richer. Adam Graves, and Troy Mallett. Let's do more hockey. Charlie Huddy, Randy Burridge, Steve Casper, Randy Hillier, Scott Niedermeyer, Brian Marchment, Rob Pearson, Norman McComb, Corey Millen, Ken Hodge, all-rookie team, Mark Janssens, Norm Seaver, Joe Sorella, Mike Hartman, and Issa Takanen. Alright, back to football. Kevin Ross, Herschel Walker, Roger Vick, Ray Childress, Melvin Bratton, Todd McNair. And we got another one of those trivia things, so I guess they're not that rare. Is that the same question as the last one? Is it? Well, no, it's different. Vince Newsom, Jim Harbaugh, Jerry Holmes, Seth Joyner, Tim Worley, Bart Oates, Mark Spindler, rookie, Percy Snow, rookie, Greg Montgomery, Rich Karlis. Alright, I'll get some NBA. Whoopsie. Okay. Oh, Dominique Wilkins, nice. Hershey Hawkins, nice. Herb Williams, nice. My dad played golf with him. John Battle, Rod Higgins, Chuck Daly, Reggie Lewis. Oh, I feel bad for that guy. He was so young. And then he just passed away from that heart condition. Robert Reed, Kenny Gatson, Kevin Johnson, All-Star, Reggie Williams, Danny Ferry. He might not have been a good basketball player, but his 2K card is something else. Christian Welp, and Mitch Richmond. Alright, so got some more hockey. Bob Rouse, Brian Bradley, Patrick LeBeau, Trevor Kidd, Russ Courtnall, Bobby Hollick, Doug Brown, Bob Sweeney, Doug Bupre, Craig McTavish, Darren Puppa, Wendell Clark, Kurt Giles, Owen Nolan, and Brett Hull. Alright. I want to get another jet ski. I think I saw something in the back. Peter Kilma, Mario Lemieux again, James Patrick, Dave Hannon, Aaron Broughton, Chris Terreri, Paul Yasebart, Tom Curvers, Dave Barr, Chris Nillen, Mike McPhee, Pierre Turgeon, Brad McCrimmon, Patrick Flatley, and Jim Johnson. Alright. Alright. Got some more hockey. Oh, all the rest of them are hockey. Darcy Haluk, Vladimir, not going to try to pronounce that, Darian Hatcher, Mark Lamb, Ken Priestley, Mike Ridley, not going to try to pronounce that, Ray Bork, Dream Team. Wonder how much those cards are worth. Lou Franchetti, Lucien Dubois, Richard Pylon, Dennis Vial, Stefan Quintal, Peter Taglianetti, Brian Fogarty. Robert Cron. Whoa. Mario Lemieux. Cool. Oh, we got another Wayne Gretzky as well. Back-to-back Lemieux and Gretzky. That's cool. Alright, anyways, Bobby Hollick, Doug Brown, Bob Sweeney, Pierre Turgeon, Brett Hull, Rick Tocchet, Cam Neely, and Luc Robitaille. Alon May, Grant Ledyard, Mike Eagles, Mark Norm, Michael Pickard, all rookie team, Sergei Fedorov, Brian Leach. A look into the future, Tampa Bay Lightning and Ottawa Senators. That's interesting. Robert Reichel, Dave Christian, Sylvan Coat, Vincent Damphouse, Murray Barron, Thomas Forslund. And that's all we have for today. I'll see you in the next pack opening. This has been Open Packs, and have a good one.